Health Minute is on how parents can support their loved ones with body image issues, food issues, and eating disorders. Unfortunately, people with body image issues, food issues, and eating disorders might find the holiday season terrifying. They might feel vulnerable and emotionally unsafe and revert to their food issues to restore a sense of self-control and self-protection. Sometimes parents want so much for things to be better or to go smoothly that we ourselves become anxious. Do whatever you need to do to ground yourself and manage your own emotions. Be mindful of the language you use. Do not talk about diets, weight loss, restricting certain foods, or weight gain during the holidays. This creates anxiety for your loved one. Here are a few tips to help your loved one manage feeling isolated and triggered. Before the festivities begin, create together an agreement about how you can best support your loved one. Give reassurance about your desire to be supportive without trying to fix every problem. Honor the agreement. Focus on the people, not the food. Make being together a priority. Be mindful and intentional. Value your time together. Focus on conversations about general topics or important topics other than food. Do not allow another's emotions to decide yours. Be you. Your loved one's consents when you're walking on eggshells. Focus on the person, not their body. Instead of talking about their appearance, say, "I'm so happy to see you." Instead of saying, "You look great," ask how they are. Tell me about you. Let them know that you're really glad that they are there. Again, be mindful of the meaning of truly being together. Don't be the food police. Instead of staring and monitoring what food your loved one is eating or not eating, say, "I love being with you." If you do notice they are struggling, validate that what they are doing is difficult and ask privately if there is anything you can do to ease their emotions. Key messages from tonight's Mental Health Minute. Love your child. Be there for them emotionally. Be patient. Be understanding, kind, and supportive. Here's to an eating disorder-friendly Thanksgiving. As always, if you want to discuss any concerns about your child's issues with food, please call Mental Health Navigators at 952-913-7805.